This is my 2009 Colony Endeavor update, because I finally got new pedals. Not what I said I was going to get in the last video, but got them for $2. But okay, I have Alex triple weld rims, Maxxis M-tread tires. We've got my Primo cranks, my Colony sprocket still, my Colony BMX seat, my Odyssey pedals. They're very nice, definitely worth $2. We've got wicked tall pins, and they can come out, but yeah, I like them because they fit my foot nice. Then I've got my Colony frame, obviously. Yes, it is an integrated seat post. I've got We the People grips, Tech 77 brakes, as I already said, Colony Endeavor bars, my McNeil stem, Colony forks, and the Maxxis M-tread tire again, and the Alex rims, and that's it. I hope you like my bike, because I am in love with it, and I totally think it was worth as much money as I put into it. And all this bike's practically stock except for the pedals, and it cost about $650, but it was only $540 for me, and then I paid $2 for the pedals. And here's my old pedals. Well go. Not very nice pedals. I would not recommend them to anybody, not even my enemies, because you slip off those things so bad it's not funny. But again, there's my bike, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, please.